This is a quick, to the point, detailed review of the Teton Oasis Hydration Pack. We're going to give you all we know, including the price, features, pros, cons, and who we recommend this pack for. Let's get started. Price. The price on Amazon at the time of recording is around $50 with a lifetime warranty. Here are the features of the pack. 1. Reflective lettering and print for visibility. 2. Straps for chest and waist to stabilize the pack. 3. Lightweight at about 2 pounds and fits waist up to 60 inches. 4. Water hose can be used on the left or right shoulder strap. 5. Comes with a rain cover, but we have never used. 6. 2 small and 2 large pockets to organize and compartmentalize. 7. Bungee cords to store clothes. 8. Breathable back padding. 9. 2-liter water bladder. And 10. There's loops and other places in order to hook up carabiners or other things that you want to carry outside your pack. Tell us in the comments what you look for in a pack. We found these as the pros for the Teton. 1. Zippers are good quality and the zipper pulls are durable. 2. Shoulder straps are comfortable and have elastic loops for attaching gear or holding sunglasses. 3. 2 side knot pockets hold garbage well and other frequently accessed items. 4. Great for hiking with the water bladder or with water bottles. We use water bottles for our shorter hikes. 5. The bungee cords surprisingly get used more often than we thought, mainly holding warmer layers. 6. The upper outside pocket is great for storing sunglasses. If you are seeing value in our video today, please show your love by hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss our weekly posts on everything hiking, traveling, and camping. Here are 3 things we think could be done better. 1. The water bladder is difficult to clean. We think they all are, but it makes you pause before you decide to use the bladder. 2. The straw is leak-proof, however, may be a little difficult to open. 3. Our last con is that the whistle underperforms. We've never really been able to get it to work well. Our normal pack for a 10-mile hike would include water, first aid kit, protein bars, gummy worms, or other non-chocolate treats, sunglasses, camera video equipment, compass, maps, mosquito spray, sunscreen, and extra layer depending on the weather. These all fit well in the Teton pack without overloading the pack or stretching the compartments. We will put hoodies or outer layers in the bungee. We'll even pack sandwiches with ice packs in a plastic bag. We recommend the Teton Hydration Pack for 10-year-olds and above who hike 6 to 8 hours or less. Although little ones should have less weight in their packs, the Teton pack is a great beginner pack and can be used for other activities, providing more utility. We've used them on 10-mile hikes often and find that they are perfect for our use. This pack is not recommended for overnight. We've had these packs for years and find the durability and performance is worth the purchase price. For an hour hike, this pack is nice to have. For 6 to 8 hour hikes, this pack is essential. Amazon affiliate links are included in the video description. To learn how beginners should get started on their first hikes, click this playlist or back up to review the photos again.